Do you have a need for speed? Avoid low-energy pit stops and give your health a tune-up by fueling up with the right mix of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm teaming up with sprint car racer McKenna Hassey.
And together, we'll show you a delicious way to start your engines with a quick and creamy smoothie bowl that's super satisfying.
To begin, grab a blender and add in 3 frozen bananas, 1 cup of Hy-Vee unsweetened almond milk, a half cup of blueberries, a half cup of Hy-Vee quick oats, 1 to 2 large handfuls of baby spinach, 3 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of chocolate performance-inspired whey protein powder, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend the mixture until smooth.
After a tough workout, our bodies need quick digesting protein and carbohydrates to aid in recovery and build new muscle.
Next, pour the mixture into 2 bowls. For toppings, divide another half cup of blueberries, toasted coconut chips, and Hy-Vee Shortcuts pineapple chunks. Lastly, sprinkle with chia seeds and serve with granola on the side.
Hy-Vee IndyCar Race Weekend returns to Iowa Speedway. Enjoy some of the most exciting and competitive racing featured at the fastest short track on the planet, along with a one-of-a-kind concert lineup. To purchase tickets and learn more, visit HyVeeIndyCarWeekend.com.
Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.